guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the zoo and we are seeing this bird. I hope you can see it. Just wait a moment, okay. I'll just zoom it for you. Oh my gosh, what the okay. Can you see that? Yeah, it has a yellow beak. Its name is I just need to remember. Just wait a sec, okay? Wait a sec. Okay, so we are climbing up. I don't know where we are going, but yeah, let's go. Let's keep going. Oh my gosh, I didn't know this. So guys, as you can see, there's the bird. It's so nice, right? Look, two of them. Its name is, you can see right here. It's so beautiful, right? And we'll go see her. Come on, my brother. Okay. Okay, these are some parrots, you can see. Look. They're cute, right? Oh, there are some houses for them. Look. I have seen, look. This board, this is the parrots. Okay, let's go see this. Golden Pleasant. Yeah, look, they're like parrots only, they're parrots. Where are the Golden Pleasant? Let me find them for you guys. I think it's over here. Oh no, parrots over here, huh? No one here. No one. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at the parrot! Look at the parrot! My gosh, look at that parrot! Can you see that? It's just a black. You can see, but I am seeing it with colors. Yeah, and there it's his name. Hopefully that's his. And this is this is his house, full filled. Look, oh my gosh, so big. Okay, look at this sign. Okay, oh my gosh, look at this bus. They are African grey parrots. Let me just show you. Look at this. So cute, right? Aww. And there's one more that is tiny. Okay, let's go and continue. Okay, that's the one we saw right there. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this cuteness. Oh my gosh, they're peacock. Oh my gosh, you can see how many of them. Like, there are like 10, 20. Oh, they're up. Oh my gosh, peacock. Look at that, peacock. There's only one peacock, I guess, and that's a female one. There should be a male one, right? Come on, let's go find. Indian peacock. Okay, Indian peacock slow. Yeah, look. This is so beautiful. They're only guys. It's super pretty. And this is some you can see birds right here. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. Like, oh my gosh, there's a peacock too. And I've never seen a peacock in my life. This is my first time, but this is a female, so yeah. Okay. It's so cute. You can see. My brother wants. Yeah, come on. Okay, I think I didn't know that, but my brother showed me. It's so cute, right? You have to see the butterflies. We're gonna go and see the butterflies too. It's so beautiful. Okay, now we'll just go and oh my gosh, it's so big. Like, oh my gosh, super big. Now let's go again. Come on. These parrots are super big, like super big. Look at the size. Look at that size. Like, what the? Hello. is so cute, like literally. Look at this cuteness. Let me just show you, okay? Look, there's this. He's secretly looking at me. So we'll just go. I hope I don't make him angry. Come on, let's go. Okay, that's so cute, like peacock too. The female one, yeah. I've showed you many times, but yeah. Okay, we'll go to another place and I'll show you the butterflies. I guess we're gonna see the butterflies or turtles. So meet you afterwards. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I'm not ending this video. I'm just going to show you when I reach the butterfly or the turtles. So yeah. So guys, we're here at the turtles. Look at this turtles. Oh my gosh, there's so many, but there are only posters I can see right now. Hopefully there are some turtles. Look at this. Are there any turtles? Where are the turtles? Bro, where are the turtles? Can you see them, guys? If I see them, I'm really gonna show you guys. They're here. Oh my gosh, there's an octopus. Let's go. See? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, they're like 3D, but they're not real, of course. Okay. So you can look. So here is an octopus. 3 hearts, 9 brain, and blue colored blood. Oh my gosh! Wow. Okay, let's see if there are any turtles. There can be some here. Oh, okay. I see a turtle. Look. There's one more here. You can look. I don't know which kind of turtle. Okay. These are the kinds of turtles. And they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Like so tiny, bro. Oh. Look how he's looking at me. Okay, find 2. We found 2. And there's one more. He's walking away. Bye-bye. Okay, I think we have to turn over. Papa, come on here. Oh, look. That's the one. Oh my gosh. There, look the big ones. They have a spiky back. Okay, there's one at the corner. I saw it right now. Can you see that? No. Hopefully you can. Okay. Now, okay, let's look fine and more finds. Okay, I'm just saying anything. Okay, there's some water over here. But I can't see any turtles. Where are the turtles? I can see a turtle. There's only stones here. Okay. Oh, there's snakes over here. Snakes? There are no snakes here. Where are the snakes? I don't see any snakes. Oh, okay. Look at our snake. Look at that snake. I think I can. Okay. And now you can see it, guys. I can see some scales. Okay. Now I can see his okay. Oh my god, I need to look. Okay. Now you can see, hopefully. That is so nice, but there's only one. Now we'll go see another one. Okay, there's Indian rock panther, Indian spected cobra. Okay, Indian rat snake. Oh my gosh. Aqua birds. Okay, let's go. Aqua birds. I can't see any. Look. Yeah, wait. Okay, I think we have to go there right now. Let's go. Let's go, and I'll meet you after. So, guys, we're here. Aqua Birds. Let's go in. Hopefully, we see some birds. Okay. You can see how nicely this decoration is done. Like, oh my gosh. I'm a bit tired. But yeah. Oh my gosh, there are ducks there. I'm just going to show you. Oh my gosh. I'm literally running. You see flamingo. Oh my gosh, let's go. Right. So guys, we're here. Look at this, is so beautiful. Right? I don't know their names. Dad, what's their name? Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, that's so fun. Oh my gosh, it's a bit hard. But yeah, I can manage. Can you see them? I can't even see. I can't see them, huh? Oh, here. Okay, now we'll go. Oh my god! You can see, I just saw that. I barely you can see. Barely. Like, there's a big one. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, let me just zoom out. Oh my god. Look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh, there are painted stroke. Okay, we just saw the black-headed isp, I think. Okay. These you can see over here by the way. Let's see them. Rose pelican. Okay. Rosy pelican. Okay. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, he flew away. He knew I was recording him. No. Okay. Hey. What's happening, okay? Okay, let's go further. So there's our cranes. But where? Okay, we can see that crane. There. Standing like that. Let's go see more. Stinky smell. Yuck. I smell. Oh look, houses. Oh my gosh, look at the puffiness. Look at the puffiness. Look at that puffiness. He's so puffy, like really puffy. I need to see some ducks. I want to see ducks. Okay, here's my height. Oh my gosh, look at those. Wow. Okay, there, look. It's the sunlight. I can't see anything. Oh my gosh, my eyes are literally burning right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go see. There are no ducks. Where's the flamingos, bro? I want to see the flamingos. They're so cute. Like, flamingos are the cutest. You can see that little bird over there. Oh no, that's not a bird. It's a leaf. Oh my gosh. I literally thought it was a bird. They're so cute. But I want to see the flamingos. Yeah. Wait, what is that, bro? That's what? Okay, I'm sorry, okay? Oh my gosh! It opened its mouth! What? It opened its mouth and his mouth was so big! But it smells stinky. It's okay. I know it's their habit. They're so big, like, oh my gosh! Who can be that big? Okay, let's go. Okay, he's down over here, down over here. Okay, we'll just go and see some other place, and then I'll meet you there. Okay, guys, these are the flamingos. I just got to know by my parents. So yeah, I'm gonna meet you at some other place, like butterfly. Yeah, we're gonna go and see the butterfly right now. Look, I just saw this right now. It may seem small, but when it opens its wing, it's like boom, like an eagle. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to the butterfly side. So guys, look at this. We're at the butterfly garden, and yeah. So we are done. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.